So it's always a great day here at the old redneck basement. We get to pull out the Model A and do a little work on it. We're going to work on the tail light today. It's sort of the last end of the rewire that we did. Can't get the stoplight to work. Tape the contacts together at the stoplight, so we know stoplight switch may not be working, but at least we know something's amiss back here. So we're going to try to track that down using a voltmeter and see what we can do with it. For those of you who are Model A aficionados, you'll note this is not an original nor a good reproduction. This is just some old, probably a trailer stoplight that my uncle had, but it works for us, so we're going to see if we can't get it working. Alright, so like I said, we've got the final bit here on the rewire, and everything seems to be working. I've got the light switch, I had the contact plate in upside down, but the stoplight for whatever reason is not working, and I just bypassed it here. I think it's the wiring more than anything else. This bulb looks good, but it's always good to test the continuity. So we'll set the ohm meter now and see what we get. Positive ground, so not that that really matters here. But continuity there. A little bit of resistance there, but that's good. The bulb's not the bulb. The question is, are we getting juice at the contacts? So we'll leave that up there for the moment. And we'll go set it back to voltmeter setting. Turn on the lights. So, headlights are on. Yep. Headlights are on. So we should be getting to ground a contact at both of these contacts. So let's see what happens here. Not sure if you can see that, but anyway, so we'll ground it to the outside. Nothing at that contact, and then nearly full voltage. That contact. Definitely, maybe we don't even have a good ground either. Definitely nothing with that contact. So my guess is we got a loose wire in here somewhere, or maybe the connection we made to the back is wrong. Of course, we're going to pull this apart and see what's going on in there. All right, so I think I found the problem, obviously. And obviously this has never been connected, so this is definitely going to be the problem. I'm hoping that the other wire's here. We're going to test it out, maybe hook those together, and then test it out a little bit, make sure we're getting electricity here, and then we'll put the whole thing back together. Alright, in classic old redneck basement form, as soon as we pull the light off, to be able to get the wire connections here, only a little bit of wires, we're really going to have to work tightly with that. In classic old redneck basement form, the contact fell off of the backlight, so we're going to have to strip a little bit more here, see if we can't open that sucker up, get it in there, crimp it back down. Alright, so I made a couple of good connections here, a good twist on them, wrap the whole thing in vinyl electrical tape here, and we'll see what we got. Put it all back together. So, alright, start from the other end, we'll be good. Recheck the ground, I think I got it working now. So yeah, so there we go. That's the brake light. And then both bulbs. Very nice. Actually, I think I've got them backwards now that I look at it. Because now it's definitely the brake light to be the brighter one. So it's hooked up to the main. Alright, so I've switched the wires at the connection up under here. So I should now, the brake light is on. The brake light's what's connected, so I should get the bright light now. That's the bright light. Get both. Get both. Now we're still missing one. Alright, we're going to see if we do a little more here. Alright, so we got the brake light on and the running light on. Alright, so we got it all squared away now. I'll put the cover on it, put her back away. Good day at the old redneck basement.